So a successful brokerage needs to diversify. The markets are tough. Everybody, all the regulators are coming down on brokers all the time. It's difficult to compete. There's quite a lot of brokers. So the way you're going to compete is to do something slightly different. So don't just offer the same platforms, the same products. Start offering different things. Start offering money management to your clients so that they can get a better experience. Start offering other asset classes rather than just pure FX. You can offer CFDs, you can offer equities, you can offer indices, you can offer crypto products through our new crypto switch modules. So start doing things a bit differently. Education is also really key in this space. Educate your clients the best way to trade, then they'll trade more, the regulators will be happy and everything gets better. So differentiate as much as you can to make yourself better.